You're here because you want something more. Maybe nailing pull-ups, mastering the splits, healing a slap tear, or just moving without pain. Something's holding you back, isn't it? In this video series, I'm going to share the 9 key tools that crush pain, unlock strength and mobility that we've used with over 3,000 clients in 37 countries, so they can move without limits. But instead of just telling you the tools, how about I show you? By drawing the map our clients used. Right now, your goal, it might be healing a shoulder, doing a muscle up, competing at a high level, or just keeping up with your kids. Those goals are real and they're important. But let me share an epiphany that was a breakthrough for us. After coaching thousands in their 30s, 40s, and 50s, folks like you chasing something specific, there is a key to nailing those goals. You need a foundation. Strong, mobile, limitless for life. So you can work out without pain and make consistent progress always. That's the core. This makes your goals possible. But right now, one or more of these roadblocks is preventing you from achieving your goals. Most commonly, it's pain and injury. Back pain, knees flaring up, shoulder issues, golfer's elbow, whatever it is, it stops you working out the way you want, right? But very often, it's that you're guessing what works. You've tried workouts, watched YouTube videos, following tips and magic exercises, but you're unsure if it's right for you. You know that feeling? But if it's not pain and you know what you're doing, I bet you're here because you've hit a plateau. You're working hard but not making real progress. It's frustrating, right? These are really common, but we'll smash them together with the right tools. When you achieve these 3 milestones, you unlock results that break through those roadblocks. If pain and injury holds you back and you want unrestricted movement, you need to move freely without pain or fear. That's training with confidence. No more pain or flare-ups. If you're guessing what works and want clarity, you need to unlock a proven strength and mobility system. That gives you a plan that simplifies fitness. And if you've plateaued and want to get to the next level in your training, you need to progress in every workout every week. That's how you unlock skills and feel free. So let me share the tools that achieve these milestones. We're often asked by our tribe how to precisely explain to their friends what it is that's gotten them such incredible results when years of working with other experts failed them. And the answer is simple. It's these tools and the way we integrate them into your program. Behind each of the 3 milestones, there are 3 key tools. And in the 9 videos that follow, I'll break each one down to show you exactly why it works and how to use it, so that you can crush roadblocks, reach key milestones, and hit your goals faster than ever. But first, let me quickly introduce you to them. If pain is holding you back, you will never be able to work out the way you want without these 3 essential tools. Structural balance training, which creates balance in 5 key areas to resist injury. Left and right sides of your body, opposing muscle systems like push and pull muscles, upper and lower body, inner unit stabilizers like the rotator cuff and the outer unit prime movers like the pecs, deltoids and lats, and balance between strength and flexibility. Load management. Guess what? Resting when you have an injury is the worst thing for you. All it does is reduce inflammation. But you get weaker when you rest, and the underlying issues that cause the injury get worse. Load management allows you to keep working out in the presence of injury, so you tackle the underlying issues head on. Now, I'm sure you've got questions. Don't worry, I'm going to explain each one of these in much more detail in the videos to follow. All right, next is technique optimization. Because even if you train for structural balance and manage the load properly, you still won't see the progress you want if you perform the exercises incorrectly. Try to wrap your head around this. Just 1 inch of forward barbell drift during a deadlift increases the compressive forces on your lower back by 50% or more, making the lift much harder and riskier. Optimizing just the deadlift would prevent millions of lower back injuries globally every year. Needless to say, if you're doing your bench press, pull-ups, or shoulder press with poor technique, then you'll never get out of shoulder pain and injury. Technique optimization isn't a nice to have when you're injured. It's the cornerstone of pain-free weightlifting. These tools keep you pain-free, but if the roadblock stopping your progress is that you're still guessing how to put a results-based workout program together and you want some clarity, then the 3 key tools you need are integrated strength and mobility workouts. 60-minute sessions for busy folks that balance strength and mobility in the same workout. Now, honestly, this is a complete game changer, and I need a specific video to explain it to you, and that's coming up. rapid response video coaching, personal feedback in 24 hours. In a moment, I'm going to introduce you to Michelle, who had a slap tear and couldn't compete in CrossFit. Now she's totally crushing it with zero pain and setbacks, all because she had access to rapid response video coaching. Accountability, a coach who's always in your corner, an app so you can track progress, and a thriving community to walk shoulder to shoulder with you, so you never feel like you're on your own. These tools make fitness clear and easy. But if the roadblock that's in your way is that you've plateaued and you want to see progress in every workout, then these are the tools you need. Progressive overload, so you grow stronger and more flexible every week. You may have heard of progressive overload before, but in the upcoming video I've made for you, we're going to unpack this like never before, so you know exactly how to use it. Program periodization. Saying you should evolve a plan every 4 weeks, that barely scratches the surface. There's 5 powerful variables that drive true progress through periodization. And in the video I've got coming for you, I'm going to reveal them all. Miss even one and your results will stall, but harness them and you'll unlock continuous gains for life. Advanced overload methods. Not for the faint-hearted, but when you're ready, we use advanced methods like wave loading, 1-5, contrast sets, rest pause, and more. Advanced overload methods smash limits and unlock insane results. Let's be clear, these 9 tools are the reason the Unified Movement System delivers life-changing results. They don't just work, they're the engine behind over 3,000 transformations worldwide and counting. Our tribe knows without them, the cost to your body, progress, and mental load is easily 10 times higher than the investment in the UMS. Want to see this in action? All right, let's take Michelle, a working mum in her 40s. She had a slap tear and couldn't compete in CrossFit anymore. So overhead moves like Olympic lifting, way too painful. Michelle joined the UMS online coaching, and in just 12 weeks, she was pain-free and moving her shoulders without limits. She's unlocked chin-ups with rock-solid technique, and she's now working on strict ring muscle-ups. Michelle is now strong, mobile, and limitless. You can be too. This is your map. At the center is the foundation of your goals. Strong, mobile, limitless. The roadblocks in your way, pain, guessing, and plateaus. The milestones that break through the roadblocks. Move freely, unlock a system, progress weekly. And the 9 tools that get you there. This is the Unified Movement System, your path to a transformed body. In the next video, we'll dive into structural balance training and unpack how it builds a body that thrives. I'll see you there.